Before we get right into the video, I'm going to be trying on some outfits from SHEIN. They sent over this big box of items, different items for me to try on, and I wouldn't be speaking in the try on because there are a lot of stuff and I don't want the try on portion to be so long. I want you guys to just watch me wear the outfits and all that kind of stuff. Everything pretty much is in a size medium, and if the size is different, I'll leave everything in the description box below. I'm quite excited about these because it's from their latest collection and it's claiming to be, you know, a higher quality than the regular SHEIN stuff. Let me just go ahead and give you guys like a nice, cute montage of me trying on these different pieces, and if you see what you like, it is linked in the description box below.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it.
So that's pretty much everything SHEIN sent to me. Like I said earlier, everything is linked in the description box below, and my sizes, because when I was trying the items on, I did realize that some of them were small, so I have a mixture of S and M in there, but I'm going to put that in the description box below for each of the items. Thank you so much to SHEIN for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for working with me. Let's just jump right into the video. So hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm on my way to the office. And by the way, in my apartment, they're still working on it. So you know when you have a new elevator and they try to protect it from like scratches just because people are moving in and stuff, so people have boxes all over the place, so they just want to prevent that. They still have this. Oh, see ya. Hello. But it's such a sunny day. I am in love with it because y'all know how winter can be really depressing and it affects people's moods. I have this lady that is just staring at me from her car. I'm pretty sure she's just like, what is this girl doing? But anyway, I usually walk to the office from my apartment. It's not that far, so it's about 10-15 minutes walk. Sometimes actually 20, to be honest. It just depends on if I'm wearing sneakers or heels, and today my heel is like a little high. We're going to pick up ice cream. We left work to pick up ice cream. We came for ice cream, like I told you guys, but the place is closed. This is the place behind me. We usually come here for ice cream break, but yeah, today they have technical problems, so we're having sweets instead. So I'm on my way to meet up with Fatim. I'm a little bit late because we're supposed to meet at 3 p.m. and it is currently 2:50.
Is it all the way straight?
We got to the first location. No, I think it's that way. But unfortunately, I think it's this way. Unfortunately, they're closed. They're not closed, but then the cafe isn't open. It's like they're using the lobby, and that's not comfortable. So we're headed to the second location. Wait, I think it's here. Wait, because that's it right there. So that's it, like Central. Do you see? You know, wear your glasses. Yeah. We are seated finally, we found a place to sit, and it's really beautiful in here. I'm sure you guys saw when I showed you guys the entrance, and coming in here. It's a bit noisy, but honestly can definitely work with it, because yeah, it's so pretty in here. It's giving very much vintage vibe in here. Yeah. So we're done working for the day and we're on our way. Budapest is cold. What? Budapest is cold. It is cold. It is so cold. But we want to have drinks before we go home. Okay, that's Jesus Christ, I don't know for my legs. I almost got. I almost fell. Oh, the lighting is so good in here. Oh yeah. Do you see how cute this is?
Yes, you might have the best taste.
Thank you.
At the moment, and there's their reservations are coming, but we have space.
Oh. Thank you. We look so corporate.
Yeah, we do.
Well, I look more corporate than you do. You actually. Whew.
I wanted to take both of us, but it's so hard. This mirror is small.
The dress is always so pretty.
I wanted to walk for you.
Oh no, it's okay. Hi. Yeah, we're here at table for two, please.
No reservation, please.
See?
This is a very nice room that has a...
That's so cool.
Yes, please. What's the ghost?
No, it's not. We always drag attention.
We do.
I'm sure they would.
Because I need a cute drink in one of those cute glasses.
Which one?
That big one.
This one, girl. Is it dark? I think it's okay. I'm on my way to get lash extension. I can't talk. On my way to get lash extensions. Yeah, last time I got lash extensions was probably 4 years ago or 5 years ago. A long time, like a long time. I think I've actually even gotten it. Oh, this hurts. I think I've gotten it like twice or 3 times my entire life. But I don't know. I think the reason why I stopped getting them isn't because I didn't like them. It's just because it was so difficult, or it is still difficult to find someone who would do it the way I like it, the way like the girls in the US do it. Like I've seen a lot of lash techs in the US that they do the job that I like, the one I want. But in Hungary, it's just different. I found this lady. She is Ukrainian or Russian or both. And I was so surprised that I found her 2 days ago and she gave me an appointment for today. The price is really affordable, but the salon is pretty, like how I saw on Instagram and everything. So that's the reason why I just want to go and get it done. I just wanted to come in here and show you guys this set. These are from New Yorker. I don't know if they have this like all over the world, but listen, New Yorker is actually known for like mass production, and I stay very, very far, like very, very far away from New Yorker. But my friend told me about like these like lounge sets, and I went there, and sis, these are so good quality, so affordable, so comfortable, and they fit amazing. This is my outfit. I am ready to go. I'm going to wear basic sneakers. I just have my socks, and let's go. Let's get this lashes done. I am so nervous, but I'll talk to you guys when I get outside. Oh my god, you guys, I just dropped my camera. Oh my god, the amount of time this camera has fallen. Oh my god, I just hope nothing is wrong with it, because I can't afford to get a new one right now. But yeah, when I tell you I have never been to this place my entire, like, I don't know where this is. I'm trying to just look for a way to figure this out, because I honestly don't know where this is. This is literally the middle of nowhere, but it's so pretty though. Let me show you guys. I didn't even know a place like this existed in Budapest. It's so pretty. So pretty in here. It is, but it has to be one of these. New buildings. This is where I'm getting my lashes done. It's called the Glam Factory. It is so beautiful, in a beautiful neighborhood, quite far from the city, but I don't mind as long as her work is great. This is what the inside looks like. It's so pretty. Hi. It is so pretty in here. You can open. I'm a little sick, you guys, and I'm working from home today. I look a mess because I'm actually sick. Oh my god, I don't even know what's wrong with me. I'm just like cold. I would say, no, I don't know if it's, I think it's the weather. I actually think it's the weather. God, I look crazy. But I got a package and I wanted to show you guys. I got a bunch of stuff because I'm changing out my yeah, I have cough. My filming setup completely. So I got one light, which is this one, and then I'm going to put it on a tripod. Tripod hasn't come yet, like the new tripod, but that's the setup. That's the idea. One tripod that carries my laptop, carries my laptop, what carries my light, carries my my camera and my mic and everything. Just one tripod. I got that one, it's still on the way. But what came right now is I got this light also for my phone, because when I go on my trips I don't have any like light, like external light I can use for. God, this is bigger than I thought. I thought it was actually smaller. This is actually big. This is how it looks, but I thought it was like a really small one. This is a big light. Now I think the main stuff is this, which I'm most excited for, which I think is the most expensive stuff. No, my tripod is actually the most, because this light was actually cheap. My tripod is actually the most expensive thing I did. So I also picked up this powder puff, like the ones that are popular on TikTok. I couldn't find where to get them in store here in Budapest, so I picked the triangle puff. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. I picked a pink one. Oh, it's so cute. So this one, so cute. And then I also picked up, like, they were really cheap, like you just get like 1,000 of them for like $5 or something. Yeah, So this is like the black one. I just like the pink and black. It's so crazy to me how just this one small light is going to do the work that I needed to do. Like that's the reason why I haven't even put up my current setup now, like in Facebook Marketplace for sale, because I'm just like, how is this going to do the work I needed to do? But this is what the girlies are using, and it seems good to me. This is how it looks. It's so small. It's so small. Wait, okay. It's so small, but this is what everyone is using now. I haven't picked up my camera in, okay, it's not that long. I think it's like in 2 days. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyway, I haven't spoken to you guys in 2 days, but I'm currently on my way to the mall. It is almost 7 p.m. I went to make my nails yesterday. I'm so sorry I didn't bring you guys with me. It's just been crazy. I'm usually on point, and I hate when I watch vlogs and you know it's kind of all over the place, and you know they just come back and tell you this happened and stuff. I hate to watch those vlogs, so I hate that I'm doing it right now. I'm so sorry, my love. Well, we're traveling tomorrow morning. I am Fatim, and the reason I'm going to the mall is just to pick up like stuff that I put in for amendment. I actually don't like my nails, to be honest. I don't like my nails. This is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do like an ombre type French type thing, but I wanted an almond nail but longer. She didn't get it. It's not her fault. I'm going to come back home, then yeah, pack my bags, and then I'm going to go over to Fatim's house. I'll be spending the night there, and we're going to leave from my house to the airport. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. That's probably going to be another vlog where you guys will really see the process, and obviously like the travel vlog and stuff. I'm gonna start that immediately after this one. So, oh my god, I'm out of breath for that small walk. That shows I need to go to the gym. Me too. But anyway, like, I picked up my stuff, and Fatima's here.
Tell me there.
I just got home, you guys. I will end the vlog here because I'm literally about to start the other vlog, which is the trip vlog. So yeah, I'm so tired, but I have to do what I have to do. So I'm definitely going to talk to you guys soon, like really soon. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Those of you that are listening in your car, at your job, you at home, I don't care where you at. Turn this up right now, cause we're about to go in. Hey.